Make him
It's
suffer.
go time.
It's go time, Morgan!
I can't just be told when to fight. I'm not some junkyard dog.
Yeah, man. Treat a woman with respect, would you? Get him!
Well,
I'm gonna
fine.
crush him.
The mutineers were calling you a pansy earlier.
No, we weren't. He said you were a wilting flower.
That sounds like guybrush Threepwood.
Well, that did not have
I
the
was going to
effect
sew
I
you a
expected.
sash.
Look, I'm sorry about before.
Sorry about what?
About assuming you were incapable of handling the situation. You are capable. Now, please, show these mutineers your capabilities.
And
And you're a mighty bounty hunter.
that's sweet. But aren't you forgetting something?
Smite him! Smite him!
Well, she obviously wants a
Master
sword,
minions, kill! Kill!
which also puts me in a bad position once we, well,
I was going to
if
sew
we
you a
get out of here.
sash.
A snack. You should never enter a battle outnumbered on an empty stomach.
No.
The
Make
ankle
him
warmers?
suffer!
Of course. You need my lucky ankle warmers. Can't run a man through with cold ankles. That's what my pa always said.
No, my ankles are fine. What I need is...
Well, your sword,
Turn
perhaps,
and fight,
maybe.
coward.
What? Oh! Weapon privileges restored.
Thank you.
That didn't take long.
Mutineers of the crew of Coronado de Cava. I would like to establish, for the record, that the four of you were just manhandled by a woman. So in essence, you've been woman-handled. Which I imagine was not near as pleasant as it sounds.
Go dangle your yardum, you traitor!
Nice work, Morgan.
Thanks, Captain. I mean, thanks, Honey Bunch.
Now, Coronado, how do we get out of here?
I'm 14 steps ahead of you, mijo. Here, this should do the trick. That's a unique formula of Panamanian prune juice, East Indian espresso beans, and booty breakfast bran flakes. A few drops administered to the creature's digestive system should be our one-way ticket topside.
Got it. A few drops in the biggest bile pool I can find.
Which would be just downstairs.
Done and done.
Quick, everyone on board! Hold on to your pantalones!
Yuck!
That could have been worse.
Really?
Just a quick trip up the blowhole.
Manatees don't have blowholes.
What? Then... Oh, yeah. Yuck.
Hey, about down there.
I was a bit of a monkey's ass.
No, well, yes, but I was going to say that your style's not so bad.
Nothing if not stylish.
Anyway, I work alone. You and I made a decent team.
Hey, lovebirds, quit flapping your gums and get up here! My treasure sits mere fathoms away! And my ship! The Howler Monkey! I thought I'd never see you again! I've dropped anchor down to the mating grounds and the cavern of La Esponja Grande. Now, if only my lawyer crew was worth a piece of eight. Star crew member even had the temerity to expire.
What's the problem?
Santino was not only a world-class swordsman, bullfighter, and pastry chef. He was also, most importantly, an unrivaled skin diver. There is no other man who can survive the swim down to the mating grounds.
Guybrush can hold his breath for 10 minutes.
Is that so?
Oh, yes. Holy crap, manatees.
Yep, and I have freakish toe strength.
Well then, what are you waiting for, bucko?
What?
Fun,
Holy crap!
and make it a snappy.
Really now? That's a bit too deep. Really, even for a game.
Well, that stuff in my pockets really weighs me down.
Okay. Well, manatee bones. Let's start there. Is he actually going?
Check out the ominous remains of dead giant sea creatures. Odd.
Yeah, this whole being on the bottom of the sea is kind of odd. Yeah.
Let's see here. 6,000 doubloons, the jewel crown of Queen Archipelago. Oh, and a golden wrenchy thing. Score!
Oh man. Oh, that's great.
Leviathan country. All ocean life is dangerous. Do not approach or feed.
How about both? Well,
The Ancient Voodoo Artifact Preservation Society welcomes you to La Esponja Grande. Please stay on the path.
will do. Will do. Wait, stack of shells. There was something on there, wasn't it?
What's up with all the giant clamshells?
I guess there wasn't. Surely, that's going to be important at some point. Oh, we actually picked up the balloons and crown as well. Oh, that's cool.
Ikaba's Manatee Exit Concoction, a proprietary blend of condensed foods to keep giant sea mammalia regular. I can pour this in the manatee's central bile pool to be extracted.
Yeah.
The crown of Queen Archipelago. Upon further examination, the jewels are plastic.
Great.
That's a lot of coin.
Which, no doubt, we're going to lose.
The Mariana Wrench. Turns a bolt at any fathom.
Alright, that's done with that. Seahorse skull.
The remains of one of those legendary seahorse creatures. Giant manatees gobble them up like cheese squigglies.
Why do I get the feeling that I'm supposed to show the seahorse head to the manatee lying there? Because he'll open his mouth and we can go inside? Because that's exactly what we want?
Hungry fellow?
Oh man, you gotta be kidding me. So I can go in and out now. So I'm wondering, what is the point?
Oh, I haven't played bongos since my stint as a beat poet.
Well, at least you can do that now. Do it. Oh yeah. Yeah, okay. I have no clue why I'd even want to do that, but I'm just going to interact with them, since I couldn't
I'd
previously.
never punch a manatee. Well, maybe in self-defense.
Okay. So, what is that seahorse? Well, we know what the seahorse head is for now at least. But why does it give you the ability to go back here? That's really curious. I mean, it gives you a range, coin and a crown. Actually, let's, God, I keep forgetting which one leads to, that one. Good.
There's nothing interesting up there now. Just a whole lot of tongue.
Well, can I go back to my ship or something? 'Cause I have no clue what I want to do here. Since the bongos and stuff don't really seem to do anything, so... Let's throw that in there.
That'll do ya. Whoops.
And out you go.
That was, actually, I don't want to talk about it.
Good, good. So, go back to the shipwreck. Or it's just in the background.
Note to self. Never go fishing over the sacred manatee mating grounds.
Okay, so...